Welcome back to No Recipes, where we're elevating everyday meals using tried and true techniques. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and today we're going to be making an easy, authentic Japanese chicken teriyaki using just 4 ingredients. Alright, let's get started. Teriyaki sauce has just 3 ingredients: soy sauce, sugar, and sake. We're also going to add just a pinch of salt to the chicken to draw out any extra moisture. First, we're going to sprinkle just a little bit of salt on both sides of the chicken and let it sit for a bit. When the surface of the chicken is glossy, use paper towels to dry out both sides. Place the chicken skin side down in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Because we're using skin-on chicken, you don't even have to add any oil. Use tongs to press down firmly on the chicken to ensure it cooks through evenly and gets a nice brown crust. Once the chicken is browned on one side, flip it over. Wow, look at the color on that chicken. Once the chicken is cooked through, drain off any excess oil. Use paper towels to absorb any oil that's left. Be sure to do a good job here, as any remaining oil or debris will cloud your sauce. Add equal parts sake, soy sauce, and sugar. Turn up the heat and reduce the sauce until it's like a thick caramel. Continue flipping the chicken over and over to glaze it with the sauce. You'll know your chicken is nearly done when there's almost no liquid left in the pan and your chicken is coated in a glossy glaze. That looks about right. Just look at how shiny that chicken is, and it smells amazing. Well, that's all the time we have for this week, but I hope you'll give my easy, authentic chicken teriyaki a try. Hit subscribe for some more awesome everyday meals, and we'll see you again here soon on No Recipes.